Double-sided tape, all 4 outside registration markers. Okay. Now you're going to take your screen and you're going to, at an angle, you're going to stand it up on those 2 gray bumpers, and you're going to squeeze this gray bumper and the frame together. Don't let it go back yet. Don't let it go back. You want to squeeze here and here.
Okay.
And then you want to push it down on the other gray bumpers. You let it back nice and slow. And once it's back, now you're going to hold it in place and you're going to rub where you put the tape at. And very gently here, no, we don't pull up the frame. We very gently release. Now we reach under and we grab the carrier sheet and we bring it over, put it in the exposing unit. You're going to spin it around, so that lay it down, then spin it around so the long tail, film side down.
Yeah, spin it around back here.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, you want that long tail of the film to be in the front so it doesn't get bent. Now you're going to slide that back. And you go ahead and put the next one up. And we're going to put double-sided tape, all 4 outside registration markers.